Ayun, welcome to another video. And right now, update ko kayo sa trade kasi marami naman tayong time eh. So, um, checking the movement na nagulat ako, biglang parang bago pa lang biglang nag-dip. So, ano ba nangyari? So, check ko yung Aero USDT. Saan ako pumasok and why natalo siya. To put it lightly, lahat ng mga coins na binabantayan ko, it never dipped like this. Siguro ito lang talaga yung coin na to na nag-dip. So, unfortunate siya. Kasi if you notice my other trades, same setup lang naman sila lahat. Pero, hindi siya nag-dip. Like with USDT, same lang naman yung, yung opening play natin. Nandito, hindi siya nag-dip. Ito lang talaga yung, yung Aero. Which is unfortunate kasi very bullish pa naman ako on this movement. Kasi most of them were approaching like some type of support in the higher time frame. But chinek ko na talaga yun. Make sure na this time magbabounce na siya. If not, wala eh. Ganun talaga. Babalik tayo sa start. Hopefully not. Pero I'll go over the trade each one. So again, sa bago kong inopen, pero ako nag-open nag-record, nag-open na ako para at least hindi na ako maka-focus ako sa trade. Pero i-breakdown ko naman bakit. So it's the same setup as I'm doing with the previous trade with the last win. Bullish ako kasi may nagba-bounce tayo sa sa levels of support. So I will go to SOY USDT and check natin muna yung higher time frame. Kasi ito medyo nagba-bounce na siya. Or daily nga muna. Daily natin. So meron siyang level dito na nagba-bounce yung market. 1, 2, 3, ganun. Marami na. So valid naman to na support, kaya that's the reason na nabibili tayo ngayon. And this is one is in very rare lang tong opportunity na mag-bounce tayo sa mga support na levels na ito eh. Nangyari sa April, around June, and next one is July, August, tapos ito end of August na. So I'd always be very bullish and wait for a bounce. Hindi naman na home run yung hinahabol natin kasi we're day trading lang. We're just waiting for a bounce. That's why bullish ako sa mga trades natin. And put it quite likely, same lang naman, naghanap ako ng levels of confirmation. So una-una, ito, nag-lower high siya. Although parang technically another same lang, pero nag-close siya. Yung deciding factor kasi sa akin is this break, which solidifies the trend. So sometimes ganun talaga, it doesn't mean na mag-same yung mag-lower low, hindi na natin ibabay. That's not the point. The point is we're seeing the sign of reversal. So ayan, nag-enter tayo ng trade dito. So as for the risk reward ratio, parang nandito yung stop loss ko sa ganitong level. Yan lang naman. And let's go over the other trade na lang para makita natin. So MNT, same scenario, nasa level of support. So punta tayo dun. Parang nasa support to if I remember. Or not, pero nag-bounce na siya. Okay, tama naman, nag-bounce siya. Ito. Nag-bounce siya dito sa level na to. And again, always take advantage of it kahit hindi siya mag-home run. If may little bounce lang, magpo-profit ka na yan sa higher time frame. Zoom in ka lang sa lower time frame, tapos same situation lang. Double top or double bottom, and then break of structure somewhere around, let's say dito or dito, same na naman. Kasi yung maganda, gumawa siya ng gap, which usually revisits, pero bullish. Ano lang yan, bullish na sign. May gap dito eh. Bullish sign lang siya, nag-revisit yung yung price, immediately nag-went up na siya. And it never come back. Pero if I was watching this trade, siguro dito ako nag-enter. Ganitong retracement sa fair value gap. Pero ayan, dito tayo. Kasi di natin nahuli to eh. So antay tayo. This is still a good level for a continuation. Again, it's the weekend, so I'm expecting price to continue on up until Monday. So yan lang yung basis natin sa trade. If ever na it goes out, siguro i-close ko na lang yung trade. Pero right now, confident pa naman tayo. And hopefully this ends well, so that medyo matataas yung portfolio natin. Mabilis tayo magka 2x. Hindi naman sa nagmamadali tayo, pero we just have to increase the risk kasi medyo boring naman kapag $1 per trade yung matatagalan tayo. So yun lang naman. What else? Right now it's 7 p.m. so medyo maaga pa naman. We're approaching the New York session, although it's the weekend. It's still the New York session. So tingnan natin if magpa-pump siya dyan, and hopefully we can take the profits. Other than that, wala na ako masasabi. So I'll see you in the next one.